Donaldson and Markakis to follow. Freeman 1 for 4 with a double tonight. On a 1-0 pitch, she swings away, hits a high drive to right. Freeman off-hander to win it. Walkoff, giving the Braves a 4-3 win over Milwaukee.
There it goes! Way back! And the Orioles are going to walk it off! Ruiz comes through! Home runs in back-to-back days, and the Orioles win it!
Well, Sutter went to the well one too many times for that changeup. The fifth changeup in a row, and this time Ruiz waiting on it. That's why you don't hit the run.
And the 3-1 pitch. Christian swings, hits a drive to center field. This ball's back. It is gone! It is gone! A walk-off home run! Christian Vasquez does it! 2 outs in the ninth. A 3-run homer for Vasquez. His second of the year. And the Red Sox win the ball game. 12-10. How do you like it?
Can you believe it? What a game. What a win. First place.
Unbelievable. As Christian Vasquez swings the Red Sox back to the top of the East standings with a 3-run home run to walk it off here at Fenway.
Almora runs. Bryant in the air deep. Is it enough? It's gone! Ball game over! Cubs win! Cubs win!
So much for a 1-run win. It's a 3-run win. Chris Bryant delivers another long ball. Man, is he starting to really heat up.
What a blast.
Yeah. Who do you want to face? Bryant or Rizzo? Well, let's try KB. No, not so much this time.
Lead is going to be running off second.
3-2. Jose crushes it. Left field side. Sox win! A dagger from Abreu. And a doubleheader sweep.
One too many changeups. He fought off the fastball, looking for a change. He got his change and ended the ball game.
A wild night of baseball ends at the dish with a bomb.
Home run number 20. He's driven in 63 and ends a very...
And there's a fly ball into right center field, and it is one crack in the back that'll end this thing. Irvin has sent the Reds home a winner with a home run to right center field in inning number 11.
Opposite field shot. Almost looked like Harper had a chance on this ball. Yeah, he went up.
So the Reds win it by a final count of 4-3 in the bottom of the 11th inning. Just that much out of the reach of Bryce Harper. Congratulations to Phillip Ervin. So the Reds lose the first 2 in the series. They win the last 2. There's a ball hammered deep left center field. It is gone! It's gone, and the Indians have won it!
chalk up another walk-off for Carlos.
Santana rescues the Indians for the second day in a row.
Well, Trevor Story sitting at 34.
Make it 35.
I wouldn't be
Walk
mad.
it up. No, I would not be mad, and neither would the St. Louis Cardinals.
And this could be his last hit of the night. Get out, ball. It does! Walk off home run! Trevor Story fires up the fountains at Coors Field, and Colorado has spoiled the Brewers once again. How about it, Trevor Story? What a celebration at home! It's been a dismal year, but the Rockies are going to finish it the right way.
Still fighting, even game 161. Trevor, 35 home runs on the year. The question was it going to stay fair?
And it did.
And it did.
A little low-dough magic tonight.
Ground ball, going to try to cut that run down at the plate.
Another 2-2
there it is.
to left. There it is. John Hicks seizes the moment with a grand slam walk-off. Brantley drives one deep to right field. Everybody's heading home. The Astros walk it off. 11-9. Michael Brantley matching his career high with his 20th home run. And he sends all Astros fans home happy with a walk-off 2-run shot to right.
Mike told you how much I love having Uncle Mike on this ball club. A little bit of a mini slump. There's a big sac fly, a base hit going the other way. It's just a matter of time before another opportunity arose, and he took full advantage of it. Uncle Mike got the fastball, middle in, barrel left, shot it out of here, and gave his dugout a look like, boys, it's time to pack up and get out of here. That was a bomb.
Good George.
See if O'Hearn can do it.
He goes to the opposite field. Got it. Dixon may not be able to reach this one. It's a goner, and Ryan O'Hearn has won the game.
Ryan O'Hearn, number 11. Much down. You can tell by the swing and the sound. Miles just pulled it out of the fire.
Here comes the payoff pitch. Nice. Skies went out toward right center field. Wilkerson moving back at the track, at the wall. Goal! Drive home safely!
Peterson turns on it. High drive. Forget about it. He is ended the night.
That one is a laser, and it's a walk-off winner for Harold Ramirez. His second walk-off on the homestand, and it's a Marlins win.
I was about to call it. In my mind, I called. I said, you know what? I think he's going to frustrated with the pitch before that he swung out. He'll break the ball upstairs. He gets a fastball. He's able to match. How about that? And here come the glasses. You got to pose, though. You got to do the Anderson pose if you're going to wear the glasses.
Comes the 1-2. And there's a shot into right field. Hayward going back. It's gone! Justin Hayward walks it up! And the Brewers win it in 10!
Donaldson right on the third base line. A high fly, center field, and that ball is gone. A walk-off winner for Miguel Sano. There's your number 19.
And he clearly is not going to be used. And that leaves just Santiago to finish this game, however long it goes.
Nito flies one out to right center field. Back goes Jones onto the warning track at the wall. It's out! Thomas Nito wins it! Field home run. His third career home run. This one ends the game at the bottom of the 13th, and the Mets win it 5-4.
Second home run of the year. Remember the home run at San Diego?
Trevino in his third inning of work. That one is skied to right field and deep. Going back, Pinder. Ball game. See ya. He walks it off, and the Yankees win 4-3.
Up the Oakland Crazies. Chapman, left field, and that baby is gone. Are you kidding me? For the Athletics is it was a
2-2 with the bases loaded and one out.
Deep to right field, way up there, and way second down,
head for the Hills, and he says, I ain't got the words. Deep left
wait a
field.
minute. Wait a minute.
I ain't got the words. The Pirates just won it. Ha! Clear the deck with a cannonball. I ain't got the words.
Yahtzee.
Kevin Newman, his second home run of the game, just won it. Steve Blass's final telecast on AT&T Sportsnet. Are you kidding? Steve, this one's for you.
Incredible. Incredible.
Next pitch will be the 20th for Jansen here in the 9th inning.
Renfroe to left field, high, deep, and a grand slam to walk it off! Hunter Renfroe, the grand slam of Kenley Jansen, and the Padres come back to win it! Hunter Renfroe is today's Padres hero!
3-2 pitch. Swung on as a high drive into left. Going back on the ball, McNeil at the warning track. At the wall! Adios! Pelota! It's all over! A walk-off home run for Mike Yastrzemski to the opposite field. And the long day is over. The Giants take the series from the Mets. 3 out of 4. And another guy brought up from Sacramento on a day that was spotlighting those players from the farm system. Menez, the starting pitcher, in his debut. Zach Green, the third baseman, in his debut. And Mike Yastrzemski, who got here earlier on. And he got, I think it was a changeup right on the outside.
Catcher Omar Narvaez.
Omar Narvaez, a high drive out to right field, and this is off the top of the wall. It stays in the yard.
He's calling it a home run, saying that's
Home plate umpire says that ball's gone. Omar Narvaez has won it for the Mariners.
They're going to take a look at it, I think.
Oh, did it hit off the fence above the yellow line, or did it just hit off the yellow line and come back on the field?
Or did it hit off the yellow line and hit the fence, maybe? Here we go, going up to try to make the catch. That's off the yellow line. It goes in the air. Well, we can't tell from there if it hit that back fence or not.
Home plate umpire signals a home run, though. That is very...
Goldsmith with a drive, and let's go home. Get into big man. You watched it. It's over. 2-1 Cardinals. That one kept fair. We're out of here.
Paul Goldsmith, and the crowd meets him at home plate. I mean, he killed that thing. It was blasted out of here. A home run in the 11th, and the Redbirds win this one 2-1.
Hey, a high fly ball. Does he have it out? All the way back, and that baby is gone. Unbelievable. Joy walks it off, and the Rays win it 6-5. Rays walk it off on Joy's home run. Look at that bunch down there now.
Here comes the full count pitch from Ramirez, and this one is swung on and lifted to deep left center field. Jones is chasing, and that ball is gone. Ruben Odor walks it off against Nick Ramirez here in the 10th inning. And the Rangers win this ball game 5-4. Opposite field shot, number 20 on the season for Rudy.
Well, it was a borderline call on the pitch before. Was it a swing?
1-1. High in the air to left field. Frazier back. And that is your ball game. Oh, Bichette walks it off. You called it, just an at-bat too soon.
Now he's done just about everything you need to do as a young player. A walk-off home run to win it for the Blue Jays. And what a battle. The Blue Jays bullpen did a heck of a job. They really did a great job of holding the Yankees in check. The Yankees scored 5 runs all in 1 inning.
Long drive, deep left field.